Hello traders, we're back again to check what the market holds for us for this new week of May the 11th to May the 15th. We've been quite profitable with our analysis so far. We looked at some bullish moves for gold, we looked at USD Canadian dollar pair being a bit bearish, and they all moved according to our analysis. And it's a joy again to bring this to you, and I believe you've been quite profitable by my analysis. And if this video is beneficial to you, I'd like you to click the like button, click subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, that's if you're new here. And so it helps me to bring more beneficial videos to you in the future. Now, we're looking at analysis for this week, and having said that, let's look at the pairs right away. On my screen here, I'm looking at the pound dollar pair, and I'm looking at the weekly time frame. Basically, I was looking at a retracement after this move upwards which we had 2 weeks ago, and price has come down to this region and has been rejected. Uh, Based on that, I'm looking at price likely to retest the highs or maybe even go beyond the skill level at 1.2508. Let's quickly zoom in to get a better view of what the market is going to do this week. Looking at the daily, I'm looking at this from an Elliott wave standpoint, and we'll find that this is a 5. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sure I didn't label this chart. And we had an A, we had a B, we've had a C for last week. So I'm looking forward to having a D. And price action around here is even telling us we're going to go higher. Yeah, because this is more like a morning star. So basically, if you're trading on Monday, look forward to seeing prices go high. That's the trend for me. We'll be going up as high as 1.2550, about that range. We could still zoom in to get a clearer picture of what price is likely to do on the 4 hour. Now, from the 4 hour, what I have here, you can see prices hit the lower end of the Bollinger Band and has gone up to retest this. So basically, on Monday, there will be most likely a retest of the 1.2390 area before we continue higher. So what you do on Monday is just wait to see any reversal candle around this area and head higher. The next I'll be looking at is the pound Canadian dollar pair. Let's do a top-down analysis as we've done for the other pairs. And here we see on the weekly something like a bearish engulfing. But even with that, before we see anything that will take us lower, I expect price to retest this broken support that will be turning to resistance at 1.7400. That's the 1.7400 handle. Now, and price closed at 1.7260. So I believe if we want to look, we'll just go a bit zooming to smaller time frames and look forward to getting to that area. Now, basically here, you can see prices has hit our lower end of the Bollinger Band and has ended with a doji on Friday. Based on this, we could still go to get a clearer picture from the 4 hour candle, 4 hour time frame, sorry. And from here, what we have here, I'll be expecting, already we have prices going in a sideways direction. Let's let's still go further into to the 1 hour time frame. Now, if we draw a trend line here, sorry, a horizontal line here, and wait for price to close again above, we've closed for the first time, and wait for price to close again above this trend line here, then we can begin to look forward to buying the GBP card on Monday. And I believe we'll be buying to, first of all, we'll be buying to the 1.7400 handle. So that's where you look forward to entering if we're going higher. But a break and close below this low at 1.72 handle will take us quite lower. Let's take a look at where the price is going to get to. We're going as low as 1.71, and that's about 100 pips below that candle, the low on Thursday. So basically, we could have that retest of this broken support here, turn resistance at 1.70, and continue lower to 1.71. The next I'll be looking at is gold. For gold, we have been quite profitable with gold. We saw volatility return by Wednesday, Thursday. We had some bit of choppy price movements when the week began last week. This week they just ended, and finally we had a break, a strong candle on Thursday that took us to the 1.1722 area. Now, what I'm looking forward to see is a retracement, to as low as 1697 area before we head higher. Basically, if we go by price action, we've broken above this lower high here, and any reversal candles around the 1697 area, which you can see from my cursor here. Let me just quickly draw a line, a horizontal line around this area. You can see that price have you can see that prices have turned around this area for quite some time. You can see, yeah, that's the blue line here. You see prices have tested, retested multiple times. So I expect this area to be a support. If it is breached, then we'll be going quite lower. But here I'm looking at prices stalling at that 1697 area, and we'll look at for reversal candles around here to head higher. Our going higher will be going as far as the 1738 area, 1738 area, 1741. So basically, that's what I'm looking at this new week. The next on my radar is the USD, the dollar Canada pair. Now here, based on Elliott Wave principle, let's look at the daily. We've gotten a triple zigzag from this point. We've had a W, X, Y, X, S, Z. So what I'm looking out for is to see prices go back up to this zone draw my fibs around here now. Quickly, yep. So I'm going to draw our fibs around here quickly from this point to this point. I'm expecting price to get to as high as 1.4250 area for this new week. That's what I'm looking at for in USD Canada pair. The last, no, that will be, let me look at the USD JPY pair. Also for this pair, I expected price to come a bit lower, but I was believing that price would get to 105.41 and it didn't do that. Now, but based on Elliott wave principle, what I have here, let me move this trend line. I see prices going back up even into this area. Price is likely to go back into this area because what we have is like more like a zigzag around here. So I'm looking at price to get to excuse me, to get back to, what was my fibs to get, I'm looking at prices getting to 108.70 area from here. Already we've seen, based on price action, we've seen more like resume momentum to the upside. We've seen quite some bit of choppiness coming down this way and giving us the indication that prices are heading north for now. The last I'll look at for this week is the Euro Canada pair. Yeah, I'm interested in this pair because I've also seen some wonderful moves that's going to give us some good profits this week. Basically, if I zoom into the 4 hour, and what I'm looking at for this week is to buy the pair. I'm looking at buying the pair from where it is now up to the 1.5280 area. Basically, what we have here is, let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. We've seen prices come down and we are more like in a wedge. In a wedge. So what do you do is to draw your wedge around here. Quickly, let's just draw it. Now, what I'm looking forward to see is price breaking above the, the wedge. And like with a wedge or a triangle, we call this, yeah, a triangle. Let me quickly get. So based on this pattern we have here, we normally wedges happen at the end of a trend. And with the trend gradually coming to an end, the trend gradually coming to an end, we would expect prices to close above this range. Any close, even if close of price above uh, 1.5125 area. Once we say break and close above this, we'll be buying, and we're buying as far up as 1.5280 area. So with that said, that will be that for me this week. You can join me on Telegram. I do trade. I look at prices on a daily close basis, and with that, if there's a twist to the analysis, you'll be able to make adjustments and trade alongside and stay profitable. All right, that'll be that for this week. Stay safe, make profits. Bye for now.